in the state of Paraná, at the city of Curitiba, at Parque Tanguá. Another charper, another day, another opportunity, and we have to be grateful to be here watching this video. You know why, guys? Because we are alive. That's all. We have to be thankful. Welcome everyone. Thank you for visiting my channel, you know, to give me that thumb up, all the support, all the subscribers. Thank you very much, guys. I'm here in the state of Paraná, the city of Curitiba, and in the Parque Tanguá. This park is so beautiful, full of vegetation, a lot of araucaria tree. And do you hear that sound? Yeah, it's not natural, but at least you got the chance to see an artificial waterfall, you know, and mixture with a beautiful vegetation right in the middle of the city. You know, guys, if you come here passing by the city of Curitiba, you must come and visit to this place. Wow, look at that. Take a look at this. This is natural, where artificial creation from the human being. But nothing wrong with that. At least it will give us a chance, opportunity to all the people around, or those who are maybe afraid to go in the natural and adventure themselves to see the reality and the real world, which means natural, right? So no more else to say. Let me see if I can, you know, put together some images to create an awesome food taste for all of you guys. I hope you enjoy. Stay tuned. Let's see. So talk to me, people. I hope you enjoy the whole footage. the positive energy and all the vibe I try to deliver for all of you here, you know, in Curitiba, you know, city of or capital of the state of Paraná in Brazil. Guys, I'm really far away from where I am located, Santa Bárbara do Oeste, delivering for all of you this beautiful place with all the best shots, you know, images for all of you. All right, so give me that thumb up, subscribe if you're new, if you're not, share with all the people the beautiful things of nature connected with the city. All right, folks, big hug, love for all of you. Thank you very much for watching. Ciao.